Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sapphire Radeon RX 7600 Pulse graphics card. So friend, the Radeon RX 7600 is a soon to be released desktop 8GB model, and friend, the card features in the Sapphire Pulse model, which is typically Sapphire's affordable option compared to the NITRO series, and the new Pulse is the dual fan and dual slot design with a black cooler and some red accents. There is no sign of the RGB lighting on this model. And friend, the Radeon RX 7600 is based on Navi33 GPU with a 32 compute unit, and the packaging confirms this configuration of the GPU as well as its memory capacity of 8GB. And with the box does not say are the GPU and memory clocks as well as the memory bus, and the bus is what might limit the card's capability because it is reportedly just 128 feet wide, and the AMD Navi33 only support up to 8 lanes in PCIe Express 4.0 standard, and the card is confirmed to feature one 8-pin power connector, and therefore the whole card should not require more than 150 watt plus 75 watt, and it will almost certainly require less power. And it is set to launch on 25th May, and company is yet to confirm the pricing of this card, but accepted price is above $300. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.